Chris Orser Landscaping. Another tree we want to show you today is that we have a whole lot of choice, a lot of variety in terms of size. Is Norway spruce. Norway spruce is a relatively fast-growing screening plant. We have sizes in Norway spruce anywhere from about 4 or 5 feet, this one right here, all the way up to, this one's probably about a 12-footer, and we do have 14-footers too, and anywhere in between those sizes too. Again, really nice, relatively fast-growing. If you want some privacy from your neighbors, or just kind of to make your property a little bit more private, Norway spruce is a nice choice of plant. Really dense. You can see the branching structure. You can't see through the plant at all. All of our plants are real nice and dense, branched low to the grounds all the way, and a real nice pyramidal appearance to them. Again, 215-249-1236 is the number to call with any questions regarding Norway maple, or I'm sorry, Norway spruce. And we do have a lot of other plant choices, so if you want to inquire about any other evergreens or deciduous trees or shrubs, please again call 215-249-1236.